Majida namaHoltman kwezi veki ziphelileyo bendincome iKaizer Chiefs ngetransfer strategy esitsha enaso. Nangoku ndisayiqhwabela izandla ngale idea nayo iKaizer Chiefs. Ivelt le transfer strategy banayo. Zikhiphani if awuyazi. iKaizer Chiefs izibonele imarket yayo apho ingazokhompyutha khona neSundowns Orlando Pirates. Chiefs idikwe kuspidelwa ziclubs lapha local ezingafuna ukwenza ibusiness kwaze zingafuna ukuthengisa iplayers to Kaizer Chiefs. Kalisenzeka lewe but ngoku iyaba too much yabaxeka ngestory sika Ozwin Apolis, Polokwane Chichiliza, no Elias Mokwana beki Polokwane City, beki Sekhukhune United, Opasadine ngapha nazo nezinye players khona list iba players qho Kaizer Chiefs xa ifuna abantu uyajonga iva igrand. Chiefs ngoku yabona imarket bahamba nikse orkant zikhona players ezi South African ngoba kuze iKaizer Chiefs ize nale strategy ne biyazi ba kusejonga ikhona imarket orkant but indaba i-foreign quota ba say team funeka ibe ne 5 foreigners. So ngoku Chiefs yabona okay yazi khona players is South African ezingadlala South Africa. So thina semasithargete la Majida as South African angadlala South Africa. Iclub zabo azubeke sezi sibana masimba for ukwenza ilazo ibusiness neKaizer Chiefs. Lento iqale ngoThabo Cele ngokufikileyo ontswempu nyanyani Kaizer Chiefs eqomba okay yajo masibe business le market zininzi players ezi-orkant ezi-South African and thina sakwenza ibusiness ngcono phana ukuba isijonga bese speedelo zezi teams zalapha PSL zingafuna ukuthengisela iKaizer Chiefs. And yeah, it's strategy grand for Kaizer Chiefs. So vandag the taking a list players is 6 top quality players futhi ezi zibafana internationals amanye amajita apha and amanye amajita apha I think most yawo more than 10 years adlala orkant which is excess higher levels than Premier Soccer League. So iKaizer Chiefs ngazothola intaba ye value from players exesuka orkant which is say higher level. Before ningene apha kule list bafethi ngicela singalibali nje ushaye i-support encane nje nishaye u-like apha ezantsi ke video kwenzele kuse uYouTube uzobonisa le video abanye abantu xa ni likes. Okanye if uqala udibana le channel cela ucofa subscribe uzothola videos. So kwezi veki zipheleyo ne benendathi ba benimenzile upart 1 futhi kwalewe yabani list if ekseka nguzithole uzujonge i-timeline le channel benenze i-list i-players access orkant Kaizer Chiefs funeke ibale ngazo sign but ayifana le list namhlanje ezi zikwi higher level like it's almost like a wish list nyanyane iqondile lena ngoba akuzoba easy thola la Majida but kusebholeni yonke iwe yenzeka. Zawu ya ungakhangela la video apha kule timeline le channel. Number 1 and phume report futhi namhlanje source reliable anytime leyo bayise Kaizer Chiefs ifuna ugift links. Kaizer Chiefs success yazithola mos by Inesmoko pha left back. Gift links to Kaizer Chiefs ibhalele kuye ibala ngayo umjida. Gift links equality and isemjida wayibafana international before Hugo Bros aqomba akayifunile out for izizathu zakhe. Hugo Bros if excel akafili then chayile jo akazophinda she change minds ila way say stop bona mekubona abantu banje ya like umuntu kuse over 70 years of age like if excel iway kuyitsida iblack kanye kuse ila way white abafani bayikakhulu sengizinto in the middle bayikusejonga akufuni kanye akufuni and kusekunzima for bama kase makatshintshe ingqondo umuntu kuse over 70 but kuse lo way ayo disrespect to uBros iyapasa la time ali yakuse coach grand for abafana but kuse inazi izikhathi bakusejonga vele ibe too stiff. Gift links tofuna Kaizer Chiefs ngala Denmark umjita sinisikhathi ngokweorkant top left back phana futhi umjita irregular kule team kila week Oras Denmark la week top division umjita isikhathi singanani ngoku ephana wava ngo 2018 umjita pha up EC So ngoku sewuna 7 years umjita dlala Orkanda Europe, you are out gift as khokho. Before waqala sesuka Egypt umjita. So umjita i-mentality yakhe ne-football education yakhe ki-higher level ngoku. Ne character yakhe umjita akhululo for basewudlala ye-Orkanda kusendeni kusefika uyimake ba like bone uvele ube sterk man like bone mentality yakho plus personality yakho ne confidence yakho bone plus ne football education yakho of course. So give links if Kaizer Chiefs ngathola top quality left back umjita and siyazithola Kaizer Chiefs kwizimoko phake left back ezinkulu. I think number one big problem position ngoku Kaizer Chiefs ka Nabi. Gift unangapi ngoku una 26 umjita yo usangena kusekukela best years zakhe as a footballer. 26 yo age grand umjita contract yakhe yaphela ngo-2026. So kawusheka nje unyaka xa kuphela isizini. So in terms of uthenga iplayer i-price iba way low xa sekushike unyaka oyi-1 contract and sina le team ayikamgayini contract entsha umjita ngezi zikhathi. Okanye angafuna nelanduza angafuna transfer okanye request afake transfer request umjita izinto lula for the Kaizer Chiefs. Similar thing to when wenze ke kuThabo Cele. So yeah, good target give links. Umjita score ne goals futhi ba lo season una 4 goals and 3 assists left back le. So yeah, give links. Second target Kaizer Chiefs kufuneka ibale ngayo legend Inja Mathambo, Knowledge Musona bafethu Khulumane Ndala ngoku na 34 but esebholeni ngokudala sizithola saphuma kusekla nqumqa yoba ise xa una 33 34 uchayile hayi ibhola iseyachinja ngo umusona usegrand for ukwenza ispan xa na 34. Umjita udlala phi udlala South Arabia enyukweni miyulika kudala iOrkanda le. So akasengxaki yenyuku ngoku sewunology Musona and Kaizer Chiefs close to inhlizweni yakhe umjita. So angabuya aze apha for give back for kusencede Kaizer Chiefs because ayibona Kaizer Chiefs ichelwa ipapa isenjini Kaizer Chiefs. Umjita grand akanasimoko senyuku ngoku. Contract yakhe nale team adlala kuyo ebeyisigning ngo-2024 last season and at 34 surely umjita kanga sign contract ende akho details apha ichaza abayiphela ne contract yakhe nale team but ebena 33 has been on 33 awuno sign contract awuno sign more than 2 years. So Jamil umjita sign unyaka oyi-1 apha kula wiki Al Okonde South Arabia. So Kaizer Chiefs mayimbizi bayisejonga zwakala Musona Joe but angabambi foreign sport. Umjita kudala iOrkanda iwani inyuku letsotsi. The team is that zayo kule season 5 goals 1 assist 22 hajonga the silent assassin Inja Mathambo le. Next on the list bafana international nabo until say yashiyana no Hugo Bros kuse khona le ways ayithande not ebaleni but kuse in terms of ilawe kuse mhlawumbe noba i-attitude okanye kuse i-communication. Luther Singh Bruce wambaza umjita kase kubafanafana empu le. Luther Singh hiyo gazi dala idlala Orkanda futhi umjita ngoku udlala eCyprus umjita akascore but sene 3 assists in 3 games. Dala idlala Orkanda contract yakhe nale team iphela ngo-2026 next season. So kuphela lo nyaka koshika unyaka oyi-1 negotiation Kaizer Chiefs ingayithola grand apho kumuntu shesholo ngonyaka out na 27 and since needs isikhathi umjita uyadlala wide edlala number 10 edlala number 9. Ndingabaseleka yenyani bakisethonga Luther Singh twa uyabuya iPSL yo encanywa le player machita dala idlala iminyaka ePortugal edlala eSweden edlala nase-Denmark edlala nase-Serbia Luther hama kabuye jo top player and amachita athetha futhi imazi grand kusewulanduza le uThabo Cele. So machita yakwazi kusewuthetha bayisenjani apha Kaizer Chiefs uyacela ukuthi you akukrele mnganami kuseyonke wesona so UI le black kusey ibhethe nezinye team kuseza ebesidlala kuzo ePortugal bona. So Kaizer Chiefs kusema mayizenayo lo muntu man Luther Singh top quality player at 27. Next na umjita sekudlala eCyprus Mihlali Mayambele bafana international ngoku ke right winger left winger na 28 ngoku sewumihlali dala edlala Orkan nayo ovayesemncane apha. Contract yakhe iphela next season, which is in 2026. Again Kaizer Chiefs ngakwazi kuse uthetha incoko eGrand imthole umjida kuse ngeprice eGrand okanye semthi naye kuse afaka itransfer request. Player eGrand Mihlali Mayambela akuzoba khona eways uba isijonga beyisokolisa ezinyantima zanxesha lowe basijonga hayi Kaizer Chiefs deal atyikitye Mayambela abe Kaizer Chiefs player. Dali Orkan sukona seSweden umtshana nasePortugal ngale Cyprus ngo inyuko ayiwe suppose bazusena wari yayo Kaizer Chiefs propose afika yenze inyuko say former player Kaizer Chiefs umtshana wadlala under 15 Kaizer Chiefs umabhuti Mayambela so uyazi neculture manje la connection. So far this season una 5 goals and 5 assists umjida. Yeah, Chiefs kuse mayisebenze bafethu kuse thola top players zikhona nazi. Next on the list Khanyisa Mayo izabanzima ke le wish list ke ngokulena kuse uMayo siwaza be easy kusothola uMayo because kuse uMayo qobofika eAlgeria. Umjida contract yakhe kuse iphela ngo-2027 so 2 more years and eqhomeyeba sekujida onwabile na and uMayo une young family umjida yazi fro yakhe and sebasangaba nengcubo futhi and akho easy for ulanduza usetlisha seke players fan Algeria makabuye manje umuntu man PSL kuseyivutha bafethu Kaizer Chiefs nayo bene top players sena 26 uMayo una 4 goals ngosofaka le team CR phela uzdati Algeria contract phela 2026 banchilo mayimbizi kusazwakale Mayo 26 years old udala oba linked neKaizer Chiefs umjida nithama yakhe futhi uPatrick Mayo ndakhumbula engafuna umtshana iSundowns and senuMayo futhi neconnection neKaizer Chiefs futhi nehistory Mayo Kaizer Chiefs bangahlangana Grand. Last on the list now umjida it's not going to be easy because seqhubofika ke team yakhe Elias Mokwane mari ngathi umjida Mokwane akasetlishanga Grand Park Esperance umjida phansi kwavaya futhi ngoJanuary kuthiwa kusebengabhatalwa una 25 ngumjida AJ Grand contract yakhe phela ngo-2027 sozobe easy but kuse with negotiations Kaizer Chiefs ngakwazi kusehlanganisa inkulumo eGrand okanye senayo umjida kuse afuna exit yakhe bayisejonga mhlawumbe ufuna terminate contract bona umjida una 3 goals and 2 assists in 8 matches ngoku-Esperance while linked to Kaizer Chiefs qha isekhona United yabe kuseyizulisa engafuna ukwenza ibhisarhead neKaizer Chiefs so yeah nazo i-players kusezikhoyo ngoku endizilinka neKaizer Chiefs bafethu play transfer strategy yaso intsha iGrand Kaizer Chiefs 6 players bafethu Kaizer Chiefs at least kuse apha I think izamthola at least a1 up because kuse football transfers is unpredictable but kuse ngathola more than one because kuse opportunities zikhona kuse amajida is contracts zabo ziyaphela next season ezinye kuse ziphela ngo-2027 and say ufuna umluze Kaizer Chiefs uzakwenza izinto for ba kusema kaphume kula team amakhosi. So yeah, list bafethu as conclusion gift links Noji Musona Mihlali Mayambela Luther Singh Khanyisa Mayo no Elias Mokwane nithini nabafethu masincola pa comments thini zenu views masincola pa comments bafethu ngalibali nje ushaya support encane shaya like apha ezantsi okanye usubscribe if kusebe qala ukubana le channel mojo.